Guess what, you guys? We have finally reached 1,000 subscribers. Yay! And so I got the email saying you have 1,000 subscribers, and I was super excited. And I thank you guys so much. And to celebrate, we are going to be doing the best Copycat Nothing Bundt cake recipe. Super easy. And this cake is classic, you guys. It's the confetti cake, celebration cake with that delicious classic Nothing Bundt cake cream cheese frosting. And then we have the moist vanilla cake with the sprinkles. Looks all festive and yumminess. And this will be under my delicious desserts playlist, so make sure you check that out. Let's go. So I have somebody special with me. Say hey.
Hi guys.
Hey. So I got my youngest here with me, and she's going to tell us what we have for ingredients.
We have eggs, sour cream, vanilla pudding, water, oil,
box of vanilla cake, sprinkles, and white chocolate chips. Good. So she's going to add ingredients. So I'm going to crack some eggs off to the side. And so you're just going to...
I'm adding sour cream.
And so that's 1 8-ounce, which is equivalent to 1 cup.
The box of the cake mix.
So just, yeah, dump it in, right?
The
1 pack.
1 pack of the vanilla pudding. The eggs. The oil. The water. And so all that goes into 1 bowl, so no mess, no fuss, right? So you're gonna mix it up. So while we mix it up, what should they do, Sam? Scrape the sides.
And then what else do we want our subscribers to do?
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to the channel, because we want more subscribers and expand our family, right? And we want them, what else to do?
Watch full video.
Watch the full video and give it a
thumbs up.
Absolutely. Isn't she a pro, y'all? So I'm just going to add in a handful of white chocolate chips, because that makes it just extra sweet and yummy, right? And then some
sprinkles.
So now what we got?
Now we have the Bundt pan.
And we're going to use baking spray, right?
Baking spray. Spray it on the ends.
Yep, we want to get a good coating that keeps it from sticking. So you can do the butter and the flour, but this is going to give you a perfect clean cake removal procedure. And so what are you doing?
Spreading it all around,
just to get a good even coat, right? And so now what are we doing?
Placing it on the...
Just dropping it, just to get the air bubbles out, right? So we preheated our oven, and it's going into the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. So out of the oven, this is our cake. Yay! Beautiful cake. So we're going to let that cool. All right, so once it's cooled enough to separate, so look at that, you guys, the perfect cake. So on our frosting, we have, which is going to be half a stick of butter, room temperature cream cheese, powdered sugar, and my favorite, clear vanilla. So I'm just going to cream the cream cheese first and add in half a stick of butter and mix that together until it's creamed. And then I'm going to add in just a splash of the vanilla just to give it the extra flavor. And then next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of the powdered sugar and just a tiny pinch of salt to kind of balance out that sweetness. And then I'm just going to keep mixing it, and make sure you use your spatula to scrape the sides. And then it's going to seem like it's not going to work, but as you continue to mix it, it's going to cream like so. So I am using one of my piping bags, but you can use a Ziploc. And so all I'm going to do is put it into like a cup or a bowl, and that's going to give you some firm wall so that you can put your frosting into it. So I would suggest you do the same thing even if you're using a Ziploc, and that'll help you hold it in place so you can add your frosting to it. So just going to push that down and then clip my tip, push that out, and then there you go. So you just want to have a pretty wide opening. And so frosting, and I'm sorry my hand is in the way, but essentially this is my first time doing this, so you can kind of see it kind of looks a little crazy right there, but I guarantee you that once you get going, it's going to come smooth. So you essentially just want to barely touch the cake and then bring it in and let it fall into the inside. So as you, like I said, just start at the bottom, drop it at the top. Just let it fall naturally, and then you just keep going, and then you'll go back in and fill in any other spaces like so, just to fill it in. And it doesn't have to be super perfect. I mean, you know, we're making this homemade, but the practice, the more you do, the easier it gets. So as you can see, you kind of get your groove, and again, you get start from the bottom, let it naturally fall through the top, and then you just finish off your cake like so. And having your cake pan, your little spinner thing, I don't know, you guys, I'm not technical. And then I'm just gonna put it in the middle and just kind of clean the inside, and it's gonna smooth out the inside like you see when you get your cake from the bakery. And then we're gonna cut into this, and look at this, you guys. Look at the cake. Beautiful, so moist, super easy, semi homemade, but the taste is all there. Wasn't it good, Sam?
Yeah.
Okay, but we haven't given them a bite yet, so they don't know that, right? But the cake looks pretty. Now look what you did, Sam. Doesn't it look good? My sugar mama is a pro. She did so good. Look at that. It looks so good, you guys. But hold on, what are we gonna do?
Give them a piece.
Give them a bite, girl. Go on and take that bite. There you go, baby. So yay to Sugar Mama for making her first cake, her first video on the channel. And what should they do next?
Click the bell, subscribe, and like the video.
And what are we doing? What happens every week?
New recipes every week.
All right. And what does it say? Thank you so much for watching. And we're gonna do one more video, right, Sam?
Yeah.
All right. Bye, y'all.